Suck his dick.
Today we're going to Atlanta. My friend just bought a GTR, so we're gonna go check it out right now. You know the best part about starting a car after it's been sitting for 10 hours? Oh, gotta unlock the door first. Alright, that was freaking awesome. But it would have been better when it's cold outside. I'll let the car warm up until we get up to temps. I think we're ready. You know what? We need to wash this car first. Let's go ahead and do that. And we are here. Pull in. Done. We almost forgot one thing. All right, now we're ready. Here we go. I'm like a mail. All I do is send it. Like this. Watch this, watch this. Let me know if you saw it. This driveway makes me feel like I'm rich. Kind of scary driving one hand, not gonna lie, shifting one hand, going that fast. Never did that before. Let's see if I can find anybody to race. Oh, we got one guy right here. See if you want some. Hey, nice car. He didn't want none. There's police according to the... Oh wait, what the fuck? I don't know if I should launch it in their neighborhood. Might not be a good idea. What's up? Hey, how you doing?
Hey, he bought one too.
Oh yeah, do it. Everybody in ATO already has one, so you're late to the game, huh?
Huh?
What's that?
I said everybody on the block might have one.
Oh yeah.
Shit, I'm gonna come right there.
Yeah. Oh shit. Damn. That looks clean. Damn, that duck bill though. Damn. You need some bigger exhaust tips, man.
Hey man, get that off the camera.
Cut. Are you tinted?
Yeah.
Oh, for real? I don't even know what the
GPS.
I don't even know what the CBA looks like. Shit, I kind of like the black. Yeah. Dang. Not a single scratch.
Cold start.
I'm not trying to do it right here.
We could have right out
out the driveway.
I couldn't.
That shit was way better than mine. Way better.
I could go up, actually. That was.
But it didn't fucking bog like mine.
No,
Like mine bogged way more than that.
Oh, for real?
Way more.
Alright, let's up this.
Smell that fucking corn.
That's not on corn though.
Nah?
Nah.
That's motherfucking corn.
Nah.
It had to have corn in that line.
Nah.
That is not
Maybe.
That is not. Motherfucker, I'm a petroleum engineer.
Do I go right?
If you want to launch right here. Good. Clear. There's a red light. Way better than me.
Yeah?
Way better.
Did I slip?
Huh?
I feel like I slipped. Did I? No, I didn't slip, did I?
Nah, I don't feel no slip.
Alright, let's up it. I'm just scared there's a cop, you know? Like
all around here?
hiding.
Cops normally they be back that way towards Thornton Road. They normally don't be here.
Alright, what if I make a right?
I never been down here.
No, it's pretty
I would say you could have launched in the other lane. No, seriously.
Not in front of everybody.
That's what I'm saying. There's don't be cops here, like at all. The cops be on Thornton Road.
Man, watch you say that and then
I've been living it. I mean, almost a year now. I've never seen not one fucking cop here, ever.
You smell the fuel?
Yeah. Yeah.
I tried to race people on the freeway, but nobody wanted it. Hey, nice they didn't
car!
want the sauce.
I'm scared.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy. That's it.
That was it.
It's in there fucking slip. They hooked. Everything.
That was it.
What was that, 4?
That was 38.
Shit. Okay, 4. Shit. Fuck.
Should I do 4,000?
Let's try 8.
You stupid.
38, it seemed perfect to me. Suck his dick.
Stupid.
She's like, oh my god, I should. That's when it started slipping.
Dude, it fishtailed. You saw that shit?
Yeah,
I was like, fuck. Oh shit.
Now, okay, that's the limit. What was that? 4?
That was 39.
39. So 38 is the sweet spot.
Yeah.
For these tires.
For these tires, exactly.
Yeah.
Yo, that was wild, bro.
Yeah, because I felt pulling. I was like, oh,
yeah.
Shit.
I wanted to do this that way we can make a video.
Hell yeah.
Because I didn't want to do a brakes today, so I was like, I'm gonna do something else. Let's launch. We've been talking about it for months. Damn, this is the most I've ever launched this car.
Really?
Yeah, I've only done it twice.
Well, at least you
and that was scary. Holy shit.
That's a sweet spot. Where's that?
Bro, that was 38.
Yeah, 38 is a sweet spot for 93.
Oh fuck. I'm getting jittery, bro.
Now where's hooking? It's like shit. You don't hear nothing popping. You don't nothing. Like,
but you feel the gears just lock.
Yeah.
Right?
That motherfucker hooking.
Yeah. I think 38 threw me back way harder. It did.
Back harder.
Fuck.
That little 100. Shit.
That shit was fun as fuck.
Yeah. Got me excited. Feel like I'm gonna kill somebody.
Hell yeah. What RPM was that when we swerved?
That was 39.
39?
39 and 50.
Fuck.
Yep. One little 100 RPM made it fishtail.
Damn, that shit was crazy. Crazy, y'all. That was freaking fun, dude. We launched the car like 10 different times, tried different RPMs. Man, I fell in love with my car again. I'm gonna be launching every single light now. Catch you guys on the next vlog. See ya.
Suck his dick.